Frag fam, man, it's BJ. What's going on, you sexy smelling Homo sapiens, man? Tell us what you're wearing in the comments below, man. It's your first time here? Click that like, click that subscribe, man, because you know what? We really like to have a frag party here. We never leave you high and dry. We just get you moisturized, and that's what we do right here on this channel. And today, we're going to be talking about a scent. And where's that scent, man? Oh, man, we lost the scent. Oh, the scent's over here. We're going to be talking about the scent. Lattafa D'antiquités, 1910. There it is. Oh, it's a bad boy, baby. It's going to make you want to get your hair blowing in the wind with a señorita on the back of the bike, driving to get yourself a margarita. I'm going to tell you what. This scent right here is pretty good, guys. Pretty good for both men and women. And we are going to talk about it today. Well, there you go. That's what she looks like. And you know what? Let's break down the notes. Let's go. This scent launched in 2023 as a unisex fragrance, and it could be your go-to for something timeless and sophisticated. From the first spray, you're hit with a fresh burst of rose, apple, and Davana. Think of it as a scent equivalent to driving with the wind in your hair. As it settles, Osmanthus and Cedarwood take the wheel, adding a rich, captivating middle layer that pulls you in. And just when you think it can't get any better, the bass notes of Tonka Bean, vanilla, and Patchouli roll in, leaving you with a warm, unforgettable finish that lingers long after you made your mark. Ooh, doggy, that sounds pretty good, man. About ready to get my leather on and get out there and hit the road on my two-wheel bad motor scooter, baby. I'm gonna tell you what, let me see. D'antiquités. Let's look at the top. It's your standard, pretty heavy. It's your standard Lattafa Pride top. The bottle feels like it's made of cement, really. It looks like a cement with an embossed, what looks like a either an Indian or a, I don't know, some sort of motorcycle, Harley, Indian, something like that. But D'antiquités 1910. Let's go ahead. You know what we do right here on Frugal Frags, baby. We don't use no test strips. We go on it. Let's go. It's been a while. Only run this once. So she's been macerating. Right away, apple and Davana. I don't smell the rose too much. Rose pretty much taking a back seat in the opening. I'll tell you that. Man, it smells good. It's not too overwhelming. It's not synthetic at all. No way. It's smooth. Smooth as Tennessee whiskey, baby. Yeah, that smells good. I can see that leaning. I think it leans more male, though. That's my opinion. They call it unisex, but I mean, I guess you could wear it. Women could wear it. It smells good. Okay, well, we're gonna let this bad boy dry down. Just like always, we'll be right back. Go get yourself something to drink. Alright, we're back, man. So the Tonka Bean and Patchouli's coming through. The vanilla's not, it's not over vanilla. It's not, you're not going to get, I mean, you're not going to turn into a vanilla milkshake with this at all. Tonka Bean and Patchouli mixing very well. It's all mixing very well. It's a very, on my skin, let me spray it on our shirt here. You know what? Let's give us a little bit more right there. Yeah, definitely smell the apple right after that one. But over here, it smells so good. It smells, the blend is beautiful. What can I say, ladies and gentlemen? This is great. Lattafa D'antiquités 1910 La Collection Alright, that about wraps it up for this sensational video, guys. I hope you like this. This is going to help you conquer your day. It's going to help you get down the road. It's going to help you get to the end of the day, to the end of the week, to the weekend. And then the party starts, don't it? Hey, remember, if you like this video, click that subscribe, click that like. We love you. Hug somebody you love. Peace.